iPhone FaceTime camera not working, you're seeing a black screen, or camera not available. Let's fix it right now with 12 proven solutions.
Method 1. Quick physical checks. First, remove any phone case, magnetic mount, or lens attachment that might block the camera. Next, clean the camera lens with a soft microfiber cloth. Then, open the camera app and check if both front and rear cameras work. If the camera works here but not in FaceTime, the issue is software related. Let's continue.
Method 2. Close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher. Swipe left and right to see all open apps. Now swipe up on each app card to close it completely. Pay special attention to camera, using apps like Zoom, Teams, Snapchat, and Instagram. iOS only allows one app to use the camera at a time. Then reopen FaceTime and test.
Method 3. Check camera permissions for FaceTime. This is the most common cause. Open the Settings app. Tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Camera. Find FaceTime in the app list and make sure the toggle is turned on. It should be green. Also, check the microphone permission. Go back, tap Microphone, and ensure FaceTime is enabled there too. Without camera permission, FaceTime cannot access the hardware.
Method 4. Check screen time restrictions. Open Settings. Tap Screen Time, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. Tap Allowed Apps and Features. Make sure Camera is set to Allow and FaceTime is set to Allow. Screen time parental controls can override your privacy settings and completely block camera access.
Method 5. Toggle FaceTime off and on. Open Settings, tap Apps, tap FaceTime. Turn the FaceTime switch off. Wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Wait for the message that says FaceTime is activated. This resets the FaceTime service and forces re-registration with Apple servers.
Method 6. Force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release volume up. Then press and quickly release volume down. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Then release the button and wait for your iPhone to boot up. This clears temporary system state and resets the camera driver. It fixes about 40% of software camera issues.
Method 7. Update iOS to the latest version, open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. Wait for the system to check for updates. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode if prompted, and agree to the terms. Many camera issues are caused by iOS bugs. Apple releases patches specifically for these issues.
Method 8. Check your network connection. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, and make sure you are connected to a working network. Try loading a web page in Safari to confirm your internet is working. If using cellular data, go to Settings, tap Cellular, scroll down to FaceTime, and make sure the toggle is on. Weak connectivity can cause black screens and dropped calls in FaceTime.
Method 9. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Your iPhone will restart automatically. Note that this erases saved Wi-Fi passwords, but it does not delete any personal data. After restart, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test FaceTime.
Method 10. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This resets all settings to factory defaults without deleting your photos, messages, or apps. You will need to reconfigure Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and notification settings after restart. If a specific misconfigured setting is causing the problem, this will fix it.
Method 11. Recovery Mode, or DFU Restore. This is the last resort software fix. Connect your iPhone to a computer using a USB cable. Open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Perform the force restart sequence, but do not release when the Apple logo appears. Keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears on your iPhone. In Finder or iTunes, click Restore to do a clean install of iOS. If recovery mode does not work, try DFU mode. Press volume up, volume down, hold the side button until the screen goes black, then hold volume down while continuing to hold the side button for 5 seconds. Release the side button, but keep holding volume down. Your computer should detect the device in DFU mode.
Method 12. Contact Apple's support. If all software methods fail, the issue is likely hardware. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID name at the top, then scroll down to Repairs and Service. Schedule a Genius Bar appointment or a mail-in repair. You can also call Apple support at 1-800-APL-CARE. Hardware issues like true-depth camera failure or a loose ribbon cable require professional repair.
So what causes the FaceTime camera to stop working? About 85% of cases are software-related. The most common causes are iOS bugs after a system update, revoked camera permissions, screen time restrictions blocking the camera, another app holding the camera resource, or a corrupted FaceTime service state. Hardware causes include physical camera damage, a loose internal cable, or true-depth module failure.
That's it. If this helped, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.